Imagine you decided to invest and protect your money with gold, but the moment you set foot in the shop, you instantly lose 5 to 10% of your money's value. Yes, that's exactly what happens when you buy a gold bar, a ring, or even a bracelet the traditional way and pay exaggerated making charges, while the real price listed on the stock exchange is in a completely different place. Today, we live in an age where even a second makes a difference in price. So why pay extra when you can buy pure gold at the global market price right from your phone, even while you're at home? The fear of online scams is real and totally justified, and that's probably what's stopping you from buying gold online. But the bigger fear is staying put and letting the opportunity slip right through your fingers. But don't worry, I'm going to give you the essence today: how people buy gold and how you can be one of them, staying safe and not letting anyone take even a single extra penny of your profit. To start, I'm Mike Attad. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to teach you your first step into the world of smart investing. Numbers don't lie in regular shops, but there's something called the spread, or let's say, the price difference between buying and selling, which is very high to cover rent, workers, and electricity costs. So you buy a gold bar or a ring, and even if you want to sell them back the next day, the price might not have changed, but you'll still feel like you've lost money. Why? Because there's a difference between the selling price and the buying price, and today I'm going to take you to a completely different world. Now we're talking real business and serious work. So today, let's talk about trading and buying gold electronically from trusted platforms. The spread difference is very small, almost negligible. You're buying gold as a financial asset, not paying for decoration. In short, you're getting a larger amount of gold for the same amount of money you have. And the first rule of investing: lower your costs, increase your profits. So, Malik, the market is full of platforms and apps. How do I distinguish gold? For example, just by looking at it? And how do I know if a broker is reputable or not? Every platform or broker must have 3 rules. These are red lines for any successful trader. You need to write them down or memorize them so that you know what they are. The most important thing: the broker must be licensed by strong financial regulatory authorities. If the platform isn't regulated, your money is at risk. So be careful. You need to scroll down to the very last page of every broker's website and see the license with your own eyes. And the second thing with reputable platforms: they separate your funds from the company's funds, meaning that if, God forbid, the company goes bankrupt, your money remains safe and stays in the bank. The third thing is reputation and withdrawal speed. Go to forums and check out traders' experiences. If you see complaints about delayed profit withdrawals, quickly avoid that platform. The right platform will transfer your profits to you in a flash and instantly. Now, let's get to the real reason why professionals work online: because the price of gold is extremely sensitive to news. For example, if inflation news comes out in the US, the price reacts immediately. The price shoots up. If you want to go to the market and buy, you'll miss the opportunity and it'll be gone before you know it. But on your phone, as soon as the news comes out, with just one tap to buy, you can catch the wave from the very beginning and start profiting directly as the price rises. You only make profits. If gold goes up, you profit. But on these platforms, you can also profit even if gold goes down by making sell trades. That's how the market works. Whether the market goes up, you profit, or the market goes down, you profit. But on one condition: you have to understand the strategy correctly. And there's a really great feature of electronic platforms, which is leverage. All platforms offer leverage, meaning, for example, with a small amount, you can open a large gold trade and multiply your profits. But be careful, guys. Just as leverage can multiply your profits, it can also multiply your losses. That's why you need strict money management, and there's an explanation of this inside the channel and the summary. If you're just looking for jewelry, then the shop is more suitable for you. But if you're looking to invest, grow, and build capital, then the screens are your playground and the internet is your tool. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Learn the fundamentals of how the big players operate. Now, let's move on to the practical section so I can explain the correct way to work. Peace be upon you, and welcome to the practical section. As I mentioned, today I'm going to explain how to buy and sell gold online. Like I said, if gold is going down, you'll profit, and if gold is going up, you'll profit as well. But this only applies if you follow certain rules. We need to understand these rules and learn them. Of course, anything that needs further explanation is available on the channel, and there's even a beginner's course. For those who want to learn how to work on these platforms, first, Before I explain how we buy and sell, I want you to pay close attention because these things are very important. We work on the XNES platform. The XNES platform is included on the channel and in the video description below. And right now, you'll see it appear above as well. A complete explanation. How to verify and register your account on the XNES platform from any country. Of course, I explained the video when I was living in Turkey, but if you have a different nationality, the required documents will differ, but everything is there, God willing, and as I mentioned, the explanation method is available on the channel in full. Guys, let's talk about how we are different from those who buy gold directly from shops. How do we benefit when the price of gold drops? Now, look at this gold indicator. These are today's gold prices. For example, it reached its highest peak at 4,640, and currently the price of an ounce has dropped to 4,606. As you can see, there's currently a downward trend because we had some very strong news. But how can I profit if gold goes down? What sets me apart from those who buy in the traditional way? What sets us apart? What sets us apart from those who buy in the traditional way is something very important that we need to understand. For example, when gold was when the price of an ounce was at 4,570, I bought gold and it reached its highest peak at 4,640. That's where I made a profit. And I exited the trade with a good profit. Now, when the price dropped, how did I profit after that? After the price fluctuated a bit, or let's say it kept moving within these ranges, which are from 4,640 down to 4,615, it goes back up, then drops again, then climbs back up to the same peak, which is 4,640, and gave me some confirmations. All of this is explained in detail inside the channel. You can watch the explanation, but I'm telling you what. What sets us apart from the people who, for example, buy gold from jewelry shops? Of course, they're not wrong, and that's a good thing. But here we're talking about in the language of investment, in the language of quick trading, buying and selling fast, profiting from both sides, making gains from selling and gains from buying. Just so no one misunderstands and thinks that I'm against the idea of buying gold from jewelry shops. No, there are people who don't know about this field or don't want to get into it, and those who want to buy gold from the shop will definitely profit in the future, no doubt. But here, we're talking about how you can turn over your money, how you can whether you want to invest your money in long-term deals or in quick buy and sell trades, we're working from this perspective. Because at the end of the introduction, I told you, if you want to buy gold for adornment, then the shops are your only option. Forget about anything else. But if you want to turn over and grow your money and invest, then the exchanges are your playground. And of course, we're on the 30-minute time frame. A minute, meaning each candlestick represents 30 minutes. You can set it to a day, 4 hours, an hour, or whatever you like. The 30-minute time frame. And as I told you, the full explanation is inside the channel. The first rule of trading is the indicators, and we have a lot of them. Indicators available on the platforms. Of course, I don't recommend them at all. As you can see, we have a lot of indicators. They might help with identifying the trend direction, but they don't give us anything for technical analysis. And I say this is my opinion. Even if they give us a profit rate of 80%, 70%, or 90%, I wouldn't put them in front of the screens. Maybe they can be a supporting tool by 20% to 30%. But what you really need when you want to learn trading to profit in both directions, if gold is going down, you profit. If gold is going up, you profit. You always profit. What you need is knowledge. Knowledge. It's available inside the channel. You need to understand the right strategy. The important thing is to know where prices are going to reverse. For example, the closest point for me where a reversal might happen is at 4,750. If gold reaches 4,750 and gives me some reversal movements that confirm an upward trend, then I would, for instance, buy at the first point at 4,000, buy again at 4,600, and if it tries to go down and gives me some more confirmation, I also know when it's going to drop below 4,570. All of this, when we can apply these rules, the first thing you need is strong capital management, and there's a detailed work schedule for you, a detailed table on how to build your capital and multiply it by more than 300% and even much more, also available within the channel. At the same time, you need the right strategies. With this approach, you can trade and invest your money through the platforms, buy gold, and always be in front of the market. Not like when negative news comes out about gold and it's about to drop and you don't know how to sell, here you sell and profit. Or if gold gets positive news and is about to rise above, say, 5,000, for example, you can profit because you buy instantly and quickly. This is what sets us, the platform traders, apart from those who buy gold in the traditional way. Okay, today, if I'm a beginner trader or I want to get into this field and I don't have all of this, I can't do it. I'll make it simple for you in a video. Of course, the solution is with me and it's very straightforward. I'm going to tell you to go to my channel, and after you activate my channel, there's something called playlists. As soon as you click on playlists, the first thing you need to do is register on the platform. Of course, look at this video titled XNES Platform Review. I'll show it to you. This video, trade on a platform you trust. This is the video. Go watch it. It teaches you how to register and verify your account completely. As for how you can learn from this list, this is for beginners, trading course, Forex trading course. This is for beginners. You can watch it and move past the beginner stage. It consists of about 15 to 16 lessons. In these videos, you'll see the essential things that really matter to you on this channel. Alright, regarding money management, and you told us that we can multiply our money by more than 300%. So how can I find this video? This is the video. The best plan. This video is very useful for you. It helps you organize your money management with the least possible risk, so by the end of the year or the end of the month, you come out with double profits. Even though you might lose, meaning of course you will lose sometimes, but in this particular video, it teaches you how to organize your affairs, how to manage your losses so that your balance doesn't go to zero. What does it mean for your balance to go to zero? For example, today, let's say I have 2,660. Can I lose them all in a single trade or in one day? The rule I set for myself is that I'm not allowed to lose them. Not that I'm not allowed to lose at all, but I'm not allowed to lose this balance. This is my life savings, for example, and I want to profit from it and grow it. How do I grow it, and what if I lose? On this channel, I teach you how to detach from your emotions, how to organize your money management, and I give you some useful strategies. It's totally normal to lose sometimes, but it's not normal to wipe out your entire balance. See, all of these are reliable strategies. So, what do you want to do today? To make sure whether my strategy is right or wrong, it's actually very easy and simple. The platforms have a demo account, and this demo account, you can fund it with whatever amount you want, from $10 to any number you like, and its movement is exactly the same as a real account. You watch my video, test yourself, and learn how to draw the lines. Once you have a decent background. After that, you can join the Traders Forum linked in the video description below. You can join the Traders Forum channel. Joining is completely free. I don't take a single dollar from you. What's special about the Traders Forum? There's a VIP channel exclusively for those who register through the link I left in the description below the video and sign up with this broker. I provide direct recommendations there. For example, sometimes I tell you to sell gold and I join you in selling gold. We buy gold together, set targets for the trade, and make profits together. That's the advantage of the Traders Forum. Educational content for beginners is available on my channel. But if you want to reach a professional level, you can contact me via Telegram or Instagram. And I give you the magic formula in a comprehensive lifetime open learning program. With this program, you'll learn the path to professionalism, so you won't need anyone by your side or any further assistance. There's no need to join the Traders Forum because once you discover the comprehensive lifetime trading education program, you guarantee your profits and learn how to manage everything yourself. You'll learn how to trade using this program. And with that, we've reached the end of the video. I hope the explanation was simple and clear for you. To stay updated with everything new and most importantly, I appreciate your support. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them for me in the comments below. For some matters, contact us via Instagram. Peace be upon you.